back again. I think this is probably a day after I made that other video concerning the JDC cop kit. Reached out to Andy over at A-Star Fab, gave him some logs on a pool. In the log, you can see the RPM go from about 5,000, 5,100, something like that, down to 0, then instantly back up to about 5,000. Talked with Andy, and he pretty much said that he hasn't had a good track record with the coils that I'm currently running. He mentioned those may be an issue, so I swapped on the OEM stuff and decided to do a pull. Still the same issue. From there, he mentioned that what we're seeing is a signal drop either from the crankshaft sensor or the camshaft sensor. So it's better to replace the camshaft sensor since you can do that right at the top. I opted to, look into doing that, but then I remembered, bam, the pigtail is missing the retaining clip, which means I had to use a zip tie to kind of keep that on. Decided to play around with that, unplug it, plug it back in, put a new zip tie on there, make sure the connection was fine, and while running the OEM coils, no breakup, no wall, or nothing like that, no signal dropout, everything worked fine. It's looking like we need to go ahead and replace the pigtail on that camshaft position sensor. I don't like replacing wires, especially these older wires. As you can see, the connector is already failing, so it's very liable that these wires could also crack or anything like that. We had that same issue on the fuel injector connector, so I'm gonna order a pigtail. Fingers crossed we can just swap this on. It'll be nice and easy, and yeah, we can just continue to enjoy the Evo for now until we decide to finally start upgrading parts for the summer.